We are pleased to show you the 2019 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.